Welcome back, guys. So the first thing you do when you get an email management job is to clear your inboxes. That's the first thing you do. So we've done some of it already. We've actually given some of it some labels. So these are some emails that are still here. So about 57 of them after we've done all the cleaning so far. So we still have about 57 emails that are not yet treated or that are still here. So what do we have now? So what we can do is that we could check this out one by one and see what works or not. So now I could not check these emails one by one. So let me look for the ones that are not important that I can delete right now. So all these ones could be deleted right now. They are not important. These ones could be deleted right now. They are not so important. So we could go on right here and see the ones that are not important. So let's see this. These ones are not so important, so we could actually delete them as well. We could delete these ones, so we could leave this one right now. So we could take out this one, of course. We could take out this one. Yes, we could take out this one. And okay, so let me just leave this for now. Let me take out this one, and let me take out this one. Let me take out this one. So we have something like this. So I could leave all those documents. So let me see. So let me take out this one. Yeah. Let me take out this one. Let me take out this one. Take out this one. Take out this one. So we have all these messages. So let's take it out. Let's take them out. The ones that are not needed. So after I've done the cleaning up of labeling and all those things, so I have some that I feel like they might not be needed. So these ones are start. I could take them out as well. So I could take them out. The ones that are not needed. So I could take this out. I could take this out. 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 Okay. So I could go on and take this out. Take this out. Take this out. Okay. So this way you get to clean up inboxes. That's how to go about cleaning up inboxes. So make sure what you are cleaning up is actually not needed by the client, and by the time you are done you should be able to. So one of the best way to clean up is to archive instead of deleting directly. You could just archive whatever you're doing. But right now I chose these ones because I wanted to delete them. So I have delete, then I have the few left. So let's see how many inboxes we have. So right now we have about 41 inboxes so far that we've not treated. So now I want to create a new label for something like this. So this has a database form. Yes, so this has a database form. So I'm going to label this. I'm going to take this to documents. So let's see. So let me have it in documents right now. So I'm going to add a label to this. So let me label this. So I'm going to label as document. So it goes to document right away, and that way it goes out of this. So let's see what this is about. This is social login. So I don't need this. I just have to delete this. Then what is this one saying? You may have previously received. Okay, I don't think I need this. Okay, so let me see what this attachment looks like. So this is how to actually review emails, and you can delete the ones that will not be needed. So I'm deleting some of these. So I'm going to take this out, take this out, they are not needed. Take this out, take this out, they are not needed. Yes, so I'm going to take this out as well, they are not needed. Take this out, take this out, take this out. So that's how to clean up emails. And the ones you feel like you don't know what to do with them, what you're going to do is to archive them. So there is the button archive right now. So you can use the button archive to archive what you would not need, and that is how to go about that. So, or what you don't know how to go about it. Maybe you want your client to review it, you archive it, and you can make a report and tell your client about putting the important emails in archive. So this is payments, this is payment related. So I could just delete this. I could delete all this, and I have docuc right here is in document. So I could delete all these things that are not needed. I could definitely delete them. So these ones are not needed because I know, and I'm trying to delete them right now. So let's have things like this. So let's delete all these are old emails. So let's delete them. So I'm going to delete, 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 delete. Yes. So this as well. Okay, I'm going to take that out. I'm going to delete that, and right now I'm going to delete this. So everything else is right here. So I'm going to delete all this right now. So let's delete that, and right now we only have one email, and this email we'll be able to move it. So I could archive it right now so that our inbox stays clean. And now everything else comes right here. What are everything else? They are not so useful, so we could check out our everything else. So this is everything else, and let's show up to 50. So now we have everything else. Add session when empty, so we can archive all visible item. So let's archive that, and that goes that way. So everything else could be archived. So let's do that. Let's keep archiving, and we're going to keep archiving. So let me archive every other thing right here so that our inbox stays clean. So that's how to clean up inboxes. So I'm going to archive every other thing. This is the first thing you do as a VA. When you are given the job of a VA, this is the first thing you do. Be careful of what you delete and what you archive. If you don't know what to do with something and you need to ask your client, all you have to do is to archive it. Then you can access it much more later, because anything you archive could be accessed later, and that's very important. So when you archive something, you can always tell your client to review the archive, or you could leave them at archive so that whenever it's needed you can always retrieve it back, because there is a folder for archive. After you've done all this, you can always check out your archived folder. So let's just archive everything and see how we could access our archive folder much more later when we need something. So now I've archived all email, but if you want to access your archive folder much more later, just click on more and look for all email. So when you look for all email, you'll see all your emails right here. So this way you keep your inbox at 0 level. So that's what the 0 inbox means, and that way you're going to be able to see new emails and treat them as urgent, as you are now managing the folder, or you are managing the emails and you are labeling it the right way. So when you check out different labels, you see different important emails. Then if you have to look for something, as long as you archive a mail and it's not deleted, you're going to see all your emails here. The ones you archive, the ones you've labeled, and all those things, you're going to see them right here. So that's how to go about cleaning up your inboxes as a VA. So the first thing you want to do is to make sure the inbox is clean. Yes, the first thing you want to do is that. So I hope to see you in the next lesson. See you there.